When it comes to natural hair growth treatments, one size do not fit all. What will work for you might not work for the other person, and that is why there are a lot out there for you to choose from. Just as the store-bought products, you will have to know which really works for your hair. And the only way to find out is to try them out for yourself. And once you find out something that works for you, you need to be consistent with it. On this channel, I show you different recipes that have worked for my hair using natural ingredients. And today I'm going to show you another amazing hair growth recipe. So make sure you're watching to the end. Indian hemp hair grease is one of the old school hair grease out in the market. Today, I'm going to show you how to maximize the benefit of Indian hemp grease. If you do not even like using hair grease on your hair, after watching this video, you will love using it now because the benefits is out of this world. Hey beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to bring to you another amazing hair growth recipe, and I'm able to do this because of my returning subscribers. They always come back to watch my videos, give them thumbs ups, and even share them. Thank you so much for all the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, there are so many videos you could have watched, but you decided to click on this video to watch me. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I can promise you you're going to enjoy this video and learn a lot. In today's video, my natural ingredient I'm going to use is rosemary herbs. Rosemary is really great when it comes to hair growth because of its many benefits. It has vitamins and minerals that will strengthen your hair strands and prevent them from breaking. Rosemary herbs can stimulate blood flow into your scalp to help new healthy hair growth. You all know new hair grows from the scalp, so whenever that will treat your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth, it's something that you need to be stuck to. Rosemary is going to treat your scalp from dandruff, flaky scalp, or any scalp issues that might hinder hair growth. Aside that, it can even repair hair damage. If you are suffering from split ends, hair fall, stunted growth, or anything that is not making your hair grow much faster or the way you want it to grow, rosemary can help resolve that. It is a very powerful natural ingredient. So what I did was I started by washing my rosemary herbs because we do not want any dirt or impurities in this recipe. But after that, I also need to dry it very well because we do not need any water in today's recipe. We're going to use this to make the pure rosemary oil. And with the rosemary oil, we don't want any water in it, otherwise it is going to make our whole recipe go rancid in a very short time. So make sure you are drying your rosemary herbs before blending them like so. And here you are, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. I would also love to hear from you in the comment section below on your thoughts on this recipe or in case you have any questions for me. But do not forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones as well as on your social media platforms because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues or to grow their hair much faster. So at this point, I'm adding my carrier oil. I decided to use olive oil because of what it does to my hair. Olive oil can treat your scalp from dandruff, it's going to add some shine to your hair and improve the texture of your hair. It is also going to stop hair breakages, and when added to this recipe, it is going to maximize the benefit of this recipe. At this point, I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse my rosemary oil. I'm going to allow it to sit in the water for about 20 minutes or till the oil is warm to touch. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. You can leave this overnight and still allow it to infuse even more. It all depends on you. Then after that, I'm going to strain my oil. Just to let you know guys, you do not have to use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use grapeseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, any oil that works for your hair. Then this is my pure rosemary oil, and this is what my hair grease looks like. So at this point, I'm going to put some hair grease in a bowl like so. There is no measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you are making. All the ingredients that are going to be put together are so powerful and they are not going to harm your hair in any way. I'm also going to add my rosemary oil. This is going to maximize the benefit of the Indian hemp hair grease. Instead of just using it by itself, adding the oil this way will help treat your scalp from dandruff and also give way to new healthy hair growth. At this point, I'm going to add my Jamaican black castor oil. If you're going natural hair and do not know about this oil, then you are missing out on something good. This oil is really great when it comes to growing back your edges, your bald spot, or even when it comes to damaged hair. I need some nice fragrance to this recipe, so I'm going to add my lavender essential oil. But aside the fragrance it's going to add to this recipe, it also has its own benefits. It is going to strengthen your hair strands, it will treat your scalp, and also repair any damaged hair. You do not need much, just a few drops will do the trick. At this point, I'm also going to add my pure glycerin. Glycerin is going to moisturize your hair. It is going to make your hair strands much stronger, prevent them from breaking. If you're someone suffering from hair damage, split ends, your hair is not growing because it's always breaking, you should be incorporating pure glycerin into your hair care regimen. At this point, I'm going to add my DIY whip hair growth batter. I have the recipe to this batter and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to stop by to check this recipe out. So after adding my whipped batter and having all my ingredients together like so, I am going to mix everything together. And guess what, guys? I really enjoyed filming this video and I hope you're also enjoying watching it. But you know how we do it here. Please show your girl some love if you haven't done so already by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I show you how to grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. Ingredients sometimes you can even find in your own kitchen that are chemical free and will not damage your hair, but rather improve your hair growth. I also teach you how to take care of your hair. All the tips and tricks I have used to grow my hair ever since I did my pick chop. I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. So make sure you join us by subscribing. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair much faster or help solve their hair issues. And thank you for doing all that. So at this point, just look at how yummy this recipe is already looking. This is so effective. And because of the shea butter added to it, it's going to moisturize your hair and leave it moisturized for a very long time. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.